Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nasser the Explainer. I hope you all will be fine. Guys, welcome back with another amazing video. In this video, I am going to explain how we can use a single WhatsApp ID in two different devices at the same time. So stay tuned and keep watching this video up till end. So let's start the video. First of all, I have a WhatsApp ID in this device. So open WhatsApp, and at the upper right corner there are three dots. Click and link device, and click on the link a device. So for the verification you need to verify yourself, and now open the WhatsApp application and the second device in which you want to add the ID. You can see this device has a WhatsApp application but no ID is connected in this device. So agree and continue. Allow. At the upper right corner click the three dot, and the first option is link as a companion device. Click, and here is a barcode and here is the scanner. And you can see that the ID of this device is being added into the second device at the same time, and you can see both the devices are using the same ID in the same manner. Both have the same chats. So I think that's enough for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care.